What's up, RestoMods Nation? It is July 14th. It's a Thursday. This is Chris. I'm here with a little garage update, show you guys what we got going on. In here in the garage is where all the fun stuff happens. Obviously, we've got RM18 right here. We only got about 2 weeks left to get entered to win this beautiful 68 Camaro. This thing's got a 454 4-barrel Holley carburetor. You guys know the deal by now. RestoMods.com, we run a sweepstakes every 3 months. So this one's almost done. RM18, our 18th giveaway vehicle, which is kind of crazy to say. We've given away 17 vehicles. Hopefully you watched us give that insane Charger away to Rod Spickelmire. He's got it up in Idaho now. He's going to car shows. He's having a ton of fun. Hopefully we'll be able to check in with him and get some videos or photos from all the fun he's having with that car. Here at RestoMods.com, we're super excited to announce our latest giveaway, this 1975 Dodge Ramcharger, and is our easiest giveaway yet to enter. You've watched us give away 15 insane cars over the last 4.5 years. So all you gotta do to get entered to win this truck right here is hit that subscribe button, that notification bell below, and when we get to 100,000 subscribers, we are gonna pick one of you guys to take this truck home. Hit that subscribe button. Don't be left out when we hit 100,000 and we give this truck away to a lucky subscriber. Let's see what else is going on in the garage. Up in the rack, we've got the 69 Chevelle. We've got a whole build series for this on YouTube and all of our socials. Hopefully you guys have been following along as this thing went on its journey from kind of a gold color. Now it's Porsche GT silver. It had a little rowdy small block in it. Now it's got a, what is that, a 426 in there? 427, yeah. 427 LS style block with a supercharger on it. We're hoping to get 4 digits of horsepower out of that thing, which would be pretty incredible. The seats are in there, the roll cage is in, some of the interior's going in, and we're about to put on some new exhaust pieces, it looks like. What do we got here?
Yeah, so these just came in. We're unboxing. It's pipes, kind of a universal set, but I liked it because coming straight out of the X pipe, they have an extra flange here so that you can either just uncork it and run straight through, but I think we're going to run the electric cutouts on it. That way you can basically run like straight exhaust, almost open headers. I mean, a little bit longer than an open header, but get that super loud rumble,
yeah,
or
you're not gonna
quiet it down.
Anybody with that thing.
Yeah, exactly. But
there's the X pipe.
Yeah, some nice 3-inch stainless stuff. So
stuff looks really good. Look at these welds.
Yeah.
So we'll be getting all that up into the 69 Chevelle. Here's a taste of the underside of that thing. You can see right now it's just straight headers. So all this will mount in here. You can see that nice new trans in there, courtesy of Silver Sport Transmissions. We've also got the 70 C10 here we picked up off Bring a Trailer a while back. Just show you guys a little bit. This is LS3.
Yeah, it's got it. Well, it's an iron block, but it's been bored and stroked. It's all built by West Coast Performance, so it says they're claiming it dynoed like 500 horsepower plus. So
at the wheel?
I believe that's at the crank. It feels peppy, you know, in a truck like this. They're actually not very heavy. It's kind of a light vehicle.
Especially in the back, yeah.
We'll get it on the dyno though, and see what it's got.
This thing's pretty incredible though. Shaved the drip rails, the body work on here. Someone's done a ton of work in here. The interior is just absolutely. Who did this interior?
Velocity Restoration.
Velocity Restorations did an incredible job in here, so you can get an idea of the interior. It's also got air ride suspension, so you can see some of that stuff. Just an incredible truck. It's pretty cool. We'll probably be seeing more of this. Might be a future sweepstakes giveaway vehicle. Let's see what else is going on. We've always got some interesting things here at the garage/office. Oh yeah, the boys are working the Traeger out here. Check this out. Let's see what we got going on with the Traeger. Oh, we got a little chicken, a little tri-tip. Got to keep these animals fed here at RestoMods.com, keep them busy. So I hope you guys are enjoying your week. That's it for us here at RestoMods.com. Again, it is July 14th. We're in the last couple weeks of RM18, this incredible 68 Camaro. Hope you guys got your entries already for that. And stay entered to win. Good luck. We'll be announcing, calling a winner August 10th, I think, is the date for that. So stay tuned and hopefully you got your entries. Good luck.